Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I'm just going to go over what Mastery Check 3 is going to look like this time. So instead of just doing a reading statement, I figured out how on Google Forms to quiz you on two different listening exercises and two different reading exercises. So they're smaller little exercises, but they practice both listening and reading comprehension. So that's awesome. So please make sure when you come back to the Mastery Check table with me that you bring your headphones. You're going to need these. And also bring a piece of scratch paper so you can jot down any notes that you think might help you complete the reading specifically. I'm sorry, not the reading, the listening part of the comprehension specifically. Obviously, you can't take notes on the reading, it's already there. Anyways, okay, so in order to pass this Google form, you're going to need to answer 18 correct answers out of the total 20. That will give you the 90% accuracy that you need. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that's going to look like. So you're going to open up this Google form, and in this Google form, I will ask you to please write your name and also choose the period and the date that you're taking it. And then there's going to be two different comprehensions for each. Two listening, so there's the listening, and then two reading here. And it's just going to be all different kinds of like choosing the one correct answer for multiple choice, true, false, that kind of stuff. So, and you can take it as many times as you need to until you achieve that 18 out of 20. All right, when you're done there, then all you need to do is, sorry about that, all you need to do is show me your Google form and that you got your 18 points, mark it here, and then I will mark the yes and sign off on your mastery check. Then you're going to take a picture and upload that to Google Classroom. Alrighty, you guys have a great day and good luck. Viel Glück. Auf Wiedersehen.